Thank you for tuning in to watch Sixto. My name's Sixto. Today is something completely different. Haven't done this in a minute. I got this watch from Timekeeper's Watch. I figured, why not do another pocket watch? It's been a minute. This one here is Illinois pocket watch. With the crazy part is, let's see, zoom in a little bit more. This indeed are blued hands. Look at that. You can see the dial. You can see how much wear and tear of the dial has almost taken because of the sunlight. Not a traditional dial that we are known to. You got the brick number. You got your minutes on the outside, but I'm still liking the blued hands. Even back then they made them in their pocket watch, which is cool. Even their second hand is blued. Look at that. Man, that is beauty. And the best part is, this watch is a sales watch. This is to promote what watch they're going to be pushing, and this is what they always showed them. They tell them this is the movement, what you'll be getting at every single watch. And you can see the balance wheel, and let's give it some power. Hopefully. There she goes. And look at her tick away. You got your regulator, and if you want to adjust the speed or bring it down, right here. And of course, you see your balance wheel, and then you see your column wheel to where the time changes. Let's see, barely. But so here's the front. Obviously, you change the time. You got your running second, which doesn't stop. That's engraved Illinois Watch Co. So that's pretty cool. And they put pretty much the coin edge bezel work on the whole entire side. So that's pretty cool as well. But can't forget about the main star of this movement. You have all the info back here. You see the jewels where they get lubricated, and the 17 jewels, and the 2, 3. Let's get that right. 2364633. They're the number. But look at that. Something to have in a nice collection. For future reference, if you are crazy enough to take a pocket watch apart, which will be the best thing to learn, is on a nice old watch that's not working, because you can see how big those are compared to what a traditional watch is. Taking it apart like this right here. I did an unboxing on this. This is the Fire and Swift. See, compare with all those little itty bitty movements, and you got this bad boy to learn how to take everything apart and put it back together. Best way to learn. And to diffuse the tension from that, when you rotate the crown, you see how the gear is pushing up. That little main lever, that keeps the wheel in tension. You just lift that up, and you see the balance, or not the balance wheel, the spring unwind, which is pretty cool. But I'm happy that some of these vintage watches are still around, which I don't know how many people have them, but one day I'm gonna try to get one myself. Who knows? Maybe maybe switch a whole direction instead of traditional watches, go straight to pocket watch. So I believe this was from the late 30s. It's a cool watch. I just love it how I wish they would have made the rest of them with the Expedition case back, but of course, you know, this was the sales sample piece, so the salesman walked around 9 times out of 10 to the drugstores and asked to speak to their the managers to see if they could sell these watches in their shops. An emerald dial, which obviously is not the traditional dial that we're used to, like how these excuse me, the modern dials are, because how you could print them. These you got to put more time to them, because of course, you know, back then they didn't have the technology that we got. Let me know, should I continue bringing some different pocket watches, or do you guys like it that I mix them up with all different kinds? Until the next one, but let me know in the comments below. You guys are awesome. Till the next one, take it easy.